Change oils via L. Hammer. Puller. Rock. Screwdriver. Inner hexagon M5. 10M. Spanner. Sleeve tool 27M. Pneumatic air gun. Electric hand drill. Sleeve tool. Hammer. Oils via lint cover paper pad 1M. New oil seal. Silicon gasket maker. Put air on weights back both sides. Lift the grinder. Turn plate top hangeth the oil seal it ha state point top or even toil leakage. Inner hexagon 10 mm. Way 1 remove the screws by hand. Weight with API try RGM to remove. Use ASC root driver to remove the spring. Way 1 uses leave tool of 27 mm. Remove the screw of 3-claw disc by hand. Way to put his leave on the air gun. This way is fast and more convenient. Take a 3-claw plate with a puller. Remove to pin. Remove the first screws. Inner hexagon M5. If there is cement in the surface, remove the cement. The quick way is to use lithium battery hand drill. But here move screws into Thedwo spare holes. The plate is removed. Check whether there is a problem with these valves. Also check whether there is a problem with the shaft. Take out the broken oil seal. Take care when removing the oil seal. Will seal 35-510. These L has two sides. One side is flat. The other side licketh is. But he flat side down into play. Knock slowly with a small hammer tomahawk the oil seal complete put in. Check that has earthback eyes flat. If the paper plate is broken, also need to replace it. Remove the surface clearly in case of oil leakage. Put O in silicon gasket maker. New paper padding fourth for holes. Put gasket maker on paper pad. Align the four holes in his same way. Check whether the hole lays aligned with the screw. Put screws with silicon gasket maker. Tighten the screws evenly diagonally. The gasket maker from the inner will be sent out. Make sure for screw are tightened by hand. If it's not tightened, the chassis will be uneven. Use light talk heck these ollie s flat. Ensure Theo ils ollie s smooth. But he pins back. Note that his pin has two sides. There is a slope on one side and flat on the other. Top at he fellatone inside and the incline done outside. Hit both C-gas those bottom. Align then odd shed ends with the pin position. Knock the 3-part plate in. It's open with the screw through. But here move nut washer back in. Make sure to hit it to bottom, or the 3 plates will be uneven. Replace the screw. Replace the spring. Assemble the plum blossom plate. Adjust the posit eye on and align the hole position. Placeth in U-twa sharing place. Put in the screws. Fix his screws with Thank you for watching.